Hello, grade fours, and welcome back. Today, I want you to follow along with the slides, practicing each word or word part, just like we would in the classroom. Okay, let's begin. All right, now remember, I'm going to put my cursor or a mouse doodad underneath the word, and I want you to say the whole word after you see the signal, okay? Let's begin. Plastic. Explain. Mitten. Coffee. Bunny. Symbol. Good work. Let's move on to group 2. Basic. Return. Tiny. Over. Tulip. Hyphen. Good work, grade 4. All right, let's say our word decoding rules all together, please. To decode an unfamiliar word, always follow these steps. Number 1, first identify any word parts. Number 2, then divide between consonants. Number 3, next try long vowel sounds. And number 4, if necessary, try short vowels. Good work, grade 4. All right, let's work on our word parts. Now remember, I'm going to put my cursor underneath each word part. And as I do the signal, I would like you to make the sound and make sure to listen for Miss Hollinger's voice as I will be saying the correct pronunciation. Okay, let's begin. Ch. A. Yes. Illy. Ought. Ibble. Shull. Ect. J. And last word, tella. Good work, grade 4. All right, now let's work on our words. Now remember, I want you to, after we do each word part and say the word, I want you to think about, what does this word mean? And I want you to use it in a sentence at home and share those sentences with your families, okay? Let's begin. Car. Tridge. And the word is? Cartridge! Good work, grade 4! Okay, so what does cartridge mean? What is that word? Once you find out what that word is, I want you to use it in a sentence, okay? Let's move on. In. Spec. Shun. And the word is? Inspection! Good! Alrighty, so I want you to think, what does inspection mean? And I want you to try and use it in a sentence, okay? Good work, grade 4. Okay, so remember, do your spelling activity that goes along with this lesson and submit it for marks. Have fun, grade 4.